Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about the Iron Out Rust Stain Remover. It's used for removing stains and is ideal for use in the bathroom, kitchen, laundry, water softeners, and more. Here I'm using it to refresh our old water softening system and trying to eliminate iron buildup, and it's really easy to do. You just dissolve 1 cup of the Iron Out powder in a half a gallon of cold water. This is what it sounds like when you dissolve it in the cold water. Once it's dissolved, you can pour it directly into the brine well. If your system doesn't have a brine well, you can pour it directly into the salt tank when the salt level is low. Then after you do that, all you have to do is manually regenerate the softener, and that's it. This is also septic safe and made in the USA. Again, this has many other uses for removing stains from laundry and tubs, sink, tile, toilet bowls, and water tanks. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.